Yes. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Will this work or won't this work?
This is ColorBox, the world's first personal hair creator. With this ColorBox machine, a base cartridge, and these red, yellow, and blue color cartridges, you can literally create over 1,000 custom semi-permanent hair shades. Scroll through their colors or match a color from an image, and you can even preview how each color will look on your hair in the ColorBox app. This is absolutely insane, and I couldn't be more excited to be partnering with them to test this out and share my experience with you guys. You know the drill, links to shop in video description with a discount code, but let's get on with the fun. I'm gonna set it up just using this manual, which makes it super easy. Remove the caps from the cartridges and insert them into the corresponding slots. We've got 80 milliliters of red, 80 milliliters of yellow, and 80 milliliters of blue. 300 milliliters of the base, that goes over here. Press the button on the handle to pull up the compartment and put the scale plate onto the scale. Then plug it in. It does come with a USB-C to USB-C cord, but you have to provide your own plug, and you have to use a fast charging plug that provides at least 15 watts. And use the QR code to download the ColorBox app. Following the instructions on the app to dispense your shades. I let you guys vote which color I would dye my hair, but it was a split tie between purple and red, so I had a fun idea. I'm gonna see if we can match the purple on my daughter's tablet and the red of her stuffed animal. So we're gonna do 2 colors. All right, so we're on the app. We're gonna check out some hair dyes. You're gonna select your source color. So I'm gonna go my light blonde, I think. You can look through different suggestions it has and pick out colors they have. You can do a color wheel and it'll give you options for multiple shades, not just one color. Just so cool. And then you can also extract from an image. So that is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the red on my blonde. Ooh, that's a fun one, super bright. And then if you go down, you can see how it might look on different color hair and how it'll typically fade out. So that's the fresh color and it'll fade out to a pink on this color hair anyway. So cool. And then it gives you the instructions. Oh wow, this is so cool, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm getting nervous. We are gonna do the red one first on the underneath hair. Make it now. Oh my gosh, first color's ready, and now we're gonna mix it and apply it. And I gotta say, like, it smells really good. They even give you a cute little spatula for stirring, so. Ooh, yes. Oh my gosh. Ah, yes. It's actually looking real orange. Nice and thick. Look at that. Woo! That is amazing. Not gonna be sloppy or drippy, like really perfect, but look at that. I haven't mixed it completely enough. All right, we're just doing the bottom half, so I am not a perfectionist with this stuff. I just wanna get this hair up and out of the way. Okay, as usual, I'm gonna start with the conditioner on my skin, my ears, my neck, my forehead, so hopefully I don't dye those. And then we will get started. We are gonna do this red on the bleached hair, and we're gonna do the purple on the brown hair, and I've never done this kind of two-tone before, and I'm not sure if this is the way to do it, but we're gonna start with the bottom and then do the top, and hope they don't mix into some sort of a brown. We'll see. As I always say, it's just hair. Let's have some fun. It comes with just one set. Woo-hoo. Nice fit. They're not that cheap lunch lady kind that some of the box dyes give you. All right, let's go. Got my mirror back here to kind of help me, but yeah. Wow. It smells so good. It smells like a shampoo, kind of fruity. It did come with this comb brush sectioner, but if you know me, I can't even with that stuff. It's just, I'm not good with that. So I just use my hands. We don't need perfection. We just want fun color without major blobs. And we're just gonna comb through, look for any spots that need more pigment. That part is done. And now we're gonna try to do the top, which I haven't dispensed yet. So We're gonna clean up, we're gonna go dispense, and we're gonna get the purple on and see if we can have them not mix on the hair. It's so satisfying. You just have to be really, really careful to mix it perfectly. Otherwise it could be streaky, which could be fun. But if you want a solid uniform color, you gotta be careful. And I'm really unsure how to do this. What I'm gonna try to do is kind of upside down. This should be interesting. This is so haphazard. I don't know what I can see. Maybe I'm gonna switch and go up now. This is fine. Oh, I don't know if I recommend this strategy, guys.
Will this work or won't this work? We shall find out. How's it looking? Cool. I think we're doing okay, guys. What do we think? As long as my forehead's not stained. Yes, yes. Here's what I'm gonna do. That strip of brown here, we're going purple, and we're gonna like mix into it. See what I'm doing here? So it's not like a drastic line. We'll see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen. It is done. Cleanup time. So I always have baby wipes on the hand. I'm gonna wipe down my skin and my arms and all that, get cleaned up and let this sit for an hour. I'm still letting it process here, but I just wanted to show you. One of the cool things about ColorBox is that you can go into the app, you can control everything, right? You can pick out the color, etc., etc. But you can also check the level of the color you have remaining, which is really cool because I just did two very different colors, right? This one used a ton of red and yellow, and this one used blue and red. So you can go in and you can see, so that way you don't run out, and you can order cartridges individually after you start to run out of the ones that it came with. So that's really cool. And you can buy the whole machine or you can buy the individual cartridges, and I have a coupon code for all of that in the video description below. All right, this is the grand reveal. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. The whole experience of making your own colors is just so satisfying to have all that control in your hands. It does take longer, of course, than just buying the straight up box dye, but it is so fun and satisfying. And the color came out great. It feels amazing. It smelled amazing. It was easy to use. It does say the colors will do best on pre-lightened hair, and I will agree with that because on the brown hair, it is not very vibrant, and that is not at all the same color that I tried to match, but I did it on brown hair. What did I expect? As for matching the red, it came out a little orangier than I wanted, but it was a little tricky, and I think you have to learn as you go because as you're picking out the color from the image, there's so many different colors to choose from, like highlights, lowlights, etc., etc. So maybe I picked a little bit more of an orangey color than the redder color. And also my hair was like super yellow, so that mixed in and made it oranger as well. But so fun, I love it. The machine is amazing. The app is amazing because you can go through and look at real images of how the color comes out, not AI stuff, but like real life human people who have dyed their hair that color. So you can get kind of previews, and then it also shows you how it will fade out in general, and then how you could expect it on different hair colors, how it might come out. In the app, as you're getting ready to dispense it, it even guides you through how much to dispense based on the length of your hair. And if you're only doing a half head or whatever, you just gotta kind of take a guess there. But I did 4 ounces for the bottom, 4 ounces for the top. It was more than enough, just barely. So I felt like I didn't waste anything. Although you could just save it as well if you put it in a tub with a lid, and it does come with one of those. Just so helpful in helping you pick out the right color and know what to expect. This is so fun, and I would love to hear your votes on what color I should do next, because obviously I could do any color that I want. Should I do like an ombre next? This is super fun though. I like this 2 colors. If you want to try ColorBox, link in video description below. You can use my code Heather15 for $15 off anything ColorBox. I'm talking the machine or refills. So go have some fun and comment below what you thought and what color I should do next.